MFR Off-Road Rider back with another video. I'm down at the river bar looking to do some river crossings maybe. Go check it out. River's going down quite a bit, so I'm gonna see if I can cross it. Yeah, let's go see. Let's go check it out. I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos and giving me thumbs ups and all that good stuff. Looks like I can make it right there. Made it. A lot of baby heads here. Oh, dang. Guess I could cross right there. Woo. A little bit rough. Yeah, I got up to 119 videos now. Doing a kind of a dusk ride today. Got started a little late. Get out of these big ass rocks. Had a birthday party and it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there trying to get out of this. Whew. Trying to get out of this big rocks. I know there's some trails up here, but I'm having trouble seeing. Get my visor up here. Looks like there's a little bit shallower spot right there, maybe. Let's go up here and take a look. There was some trails over here a while back, but I don't exactly know. Yeah, I wanted to do a later video, see how the video quality is, you know, because it's getting dusk, so I wanted to see how it turned out. I've never done a video this late in the evening. Looks like that filled up with water. Let's go check that out. Whoa. Whoa. Woo! Muddy! Oh, that was wet. Didn't realize how much water was there. Whoa, that was sinky. Woo, that was sinky too. That silt, it's pretty soft. Ooh, some big ruts. Let's get above them ruts. Woo, somebody must have got stuck. Better stay on the high ground. So soft. Whew. But like I said, I'd like to thank all the fathers out there. Hope they have a good Father's Day. Happy birthday to my wife. And yeah, wow, it's really changed since the last time I was out here. It's all overgrown now. Whew, can't even find the trail. Whew. Yeah, it's pretty wild how the river bar changes over time. was some good roads over here last time I was over here. I'm up to 162 subscribers, going up, moving up slow, and I got wet and muddy through that stuff. Here's some of the roads here. Haven't gone away yet. Just dried out a little bit. Whew! That was pretty sketched. Yeah, here's the roads they use when they haul all the gravel off the river bar. Curious to see how the video turns out with the lighting and all, you know, later in the evening, how the video turns out. Like, I could have crossed there, a little too deep though. I think I'm going to cross back on a little shallower spot. You know, it won't get so wet. I didn't really get that wet, but there's a lot of huge baby head rocks that I had to go through. A little bit rough. Let's go back here. See if we can find a better place to cross. Do another river crossing. Whoa. These rocks are huge. I think there's a shallower spot up here somewhere. Oh, not as wide. Maybe. I don't know. That might be too deep. We got a lot of the moss, on the rocks. I don't know. I better check it out. I don't know. It's kind of deep right over there. Maybe I'll just go back and cross where I crossed. It's awful rough though. Let me get off and go check it out. See where we're at. See how deep it is. Find a rock to put a kickstand on. There we go. Yeah, see, there's a bunch of moss already on these rocks, so it makes it kind of tough to get any grip, as you can see. Come out here and look here. How deep it is out here in this channel. Doesn't look too deep. I think I can make it. It's not as long as the other one, not as wide as the other one. So I should be able to make it as long as I don't slip on this moss too much. If we stay above those rocks, I think we'll be fine. All right, here goes. There we go. Mater to mater. Yeah, these tires in this Tt250, I got 2,219 miles. Really pretty good bike, pretty good tires. Seems to go just about wherever I want to take it, you know. That's too deep. That goes nowhere anyway. I think there's a road somewhere over here. Somewhere, I know it is. There it is. Ooh, it's pretty sandy. It's dried out a lot. Kind of whoopy. Got a little more whoops in it now. Alright guys, that was just a little test of the well, water crossings for one, and later in the evening with the light a little bit dimmer, you know, dusk area. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers again for watching my video content, and give me a thumbs up and all the positive comments, and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for the release of my next video. Yeah, this is MFR Off-Road Rider. See you on the next one. Later.